Ça marche?
Ouais.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left the seed while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the song. I walk alone on narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of the street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, and my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light, the sleeping night, and touch the sound of silence. Light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one can disturb the sound of silence. People bow and pray to the neon gods it made, and a sign flashed out its morning with the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, and Jenna went home, whispered to the sound of silence.